Assalamualaikum students, welcome to Phonics Academia online class grade 7, which we have to do unit number 1 set. You know that we have completed our unit number 1. So now today we have to do worksheet of this unit. So let me start. You now read the first part of the worksheet is depend on the filling the blanks. Second part is true, false, and third is the MCQs part. So let me start our worksheet today. Question number 1, filling in the blank. A set contains no elements is called dash set. So you know that when your set is no any set is known as the empty set or null set. And that's a set in which has no any elements, no any members to be present is known as the empty set or a null set. The intersection of a 2, 4, 6 and 3, 4, 5 is, you know that when you have a take intersection of two sets, it means that take a common of two two sets. You know that 2, 4, 6, 3, 4, 5. Which common elements for set? 4. So the intersection of the two sets is the 4. The union of 3, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, 5. You know that when you mean do a union, it means arrange all order sequentially, and if any member is to be repeated, so you have write only a one time. You arrange all the orders sequentially, and if any elements repeat again it means that you write only a one time. For example, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. 3 is repeated, so you write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the set of a factor of 6 is, you know that when you make a this is that the set of the factor of 6. So you know that 6 2 6 are 3, 3 1 are 3. So the set of the factor of 6 is 2 and 3. The difference between 1 2 3 4 and 2 3 5. When you have find difference between it's the 1 and 4. The difference between of this set from this set is the 2 and 4. Next part number 2 is the true and false. True, false. Part 2 is the true, false. Every prime number is the old set. Every prime number is the old set is the true. The union of a two disjoint set. When the two sets are not disjoint to each other, there are no common elements is known as the disjoint set. So this is always empty. So it's to be a false, because when you take a union of a two sets of a two disjoint sets in which you have arranged all the orders sequentially, so it means that this statement is a false, because that the union of a two disjoint set is always empty. It's a false, because when you have take union of a two sets, doesn't matter is the common uncommon. In this case you have only arranged all orders sequentially. The intersection of a two set contains elements that are common to the both sets. You know that when you take an intersection of set A like set A, set B, the common element contained in the intersection. So this statement is true, because they say that two sets contain elements that are the common. That's a common elements. Mean this statement is true. A prime number has exactly two factor set. You know that a prime number are the number that become on the table of 1 and it on itself table. So the prime number have a two factor. It means that the statement is true, because that prime number is actually have a two factor set. 6 is the set of all number. So student, you know that 6 is a even number or natural number. There is not a old number. So this statement is a false. Next part number 3 is the MCQs. Which of the following is a prime number set? So option is to be given 2, 4, 5 and 8. Oh sorry, 4, 5, 8 and 9. So you know that 5 is a